If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. If you enjoy cryptocurrency related content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload new content. In today's video, we're talking about BAKKT and what the heck is going on. People were waiting for this for over a year. It's finally here, but the price of a Bitcoin and many altcoins are down today. What's going on here? Is there some FUD going around? Does anyone smell some FUD? I'm going to give my thoughts on this and why this is actually a very important video for you to watch, because you need to understand the difference in types of investors. So BAKKT is a fully regulated, basically a cryptocurrency exchange. I mean, that's the simplest beginner-friendly way to put it. You could do Bitcoin futures contracts, which basically means you are, I guess, betting on the price of Bitcoin in the future. That's a good way to put it. And BAKKT does use physical Bitcoin. I'm 99% sure they use physical Bitcoin, and it's not just paper contracts. So yeah, it's a fully regulated exchange by ICE that has Bitcoin contracts, and it has finally went live. Now, at press time, the initial launch, there have been 71 Bitcoin traded through the futures contract platform. That is a decent amount of volume, right? At the current price of Bitcoin, that is an okay, almost $10,000 at 71. So you do the math, almost, it's quite a bit, right? But here's the thing. There's been a lot of talk of, well, why is the price not going up? Why is 71 a low number? Is it a high number? Now, the point I want to make here is you have to remember who is using BAKKT. BAKKT is a fully regulated crypto exchange. So the people going to use BAKKT are not people in our world. These are not cryptocurrency people. These are traditional investors. Traditional investors are less risk adverse, or are more risk adverse, I should say, which means they're going to be more conservative in their investing and in their trading and in, buying and selling contracts. So what this means is I think BAKKT's launch was actually fairly well. It did about 71 Bitcoin in volume, okay? And honestly, that's not too bad when you consider that this is for traditional investors. I'm not saying crypto people won't use it. I mean, there probably are people watching this right now who would like to use it, right? But it's primarily for the traditional investor, and the traditional investor is more risk adverse. They're more conservative. That's just how they are, right? We see this all the time. Cryptocurrency investors are usually willing to take a bit more risk versus your traditional stock market investor, bond investor, ETF investor, whatever. And so it makes perfect sense that BAKKT had only 71 Bitcoin futures contracts at launch. Now, I don't think that's a small amount. I think it's fairly good. So why is the price down? Well, again, what I think is that the market thinks that BAKKT's launch has been unsuccessful. I think that there's people who were hoping that first day of BAKKT there'd be 1,000 Bitcoin traded or something crazy like that. Maybe not 1,000, but you know what I mean. A couple hundred Bitcoin traded first day of BAKKT. And these people might be, kind of overreacting a bit. That's what I think's going on. I think people are just overreacting, thinking that BAKKT had a unsuccessful launch. It didn't. It had a very successful launch when you consider the type of people investing in or through that platform. And of course, why are altcoins down? I think it's probably just Bitcoin dragging the market down. I said in my 2 videos ago, I said Bitcoin has to stay above 10K to fuel the altcoin rally, because Bitcoin has to hold a stable, a relatively stable price above a psychological support level rather, and that will help fuel the altcoin rally. That didn't happen, and which is why we're having some more bleeding on the altcoins. Hopefully, with the launch of BAKKT, the Bitcoin will slowly get back up to 10,000 over the next few months. I'm hoping we are back in the bull market by Christmas time. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. I'll catch you next time, and as always, have a great day. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice, and invest at your own risk.